Hello, my name is Madison Bale, and from this semester, my favorite content from this course was learning about color perception. And one of the reasons being is from this picture right here, which I want you to look at for a minute and choose what color you think that this dress is. So some people think that this dress is blue and black, while others might be saying yellow and white. This picture has went viral for so many years because people cannot agree on what color that they think this dress is. But the crazy part is that nobody is wrong. And this happens because color isn't actually something we see directly, but it's something our brain creates. So how color vision works? How do we even see color? Well, light enters our eyes and hits our retina, which is the back of our eye. And then inside the retina, we have these special cells called cones, and they detect color. And there are three different types of cones. One is for red, one is for green, and one is for blue. And each type of cone responds to different wavelengths of light. So then your brain takes all of those signals and combines them to create the colors that you see. So basically, we're not actually seeing color itself, but we're seeing our brain's interpretation of light. Color perception isn't always accurate, though. Our brains are constantly trying to make sense of the environment, and sometimes it kind of guesses, so color can be misleading. For example, lighting can completely change how we see color, and that is why the dress is people seeing different colors. Your brain is trying to figure out the lighting conditions, and depending on what it assumes, people see either gold and white or blue and black. Here's another example. These two squares look like totally different colors, but they are actually the same shade. Your brain is just trying to adjust for the shadow and the surrounding context, which tricks you. So even though we trust what we see, our perception isn't always the reality. Another reason that people see color differently is because of color blindness. Color blindness happens when one or more of the cone types doesn't work properly. The most common type is red-green color blindness, where people have trouble distinguishing between those colors. For example, someone with red-green color blindness might not be able to see the number displayed in this image, while someone with normal vision can. This shows that color isn't actually universal, but it's different. People literally see the world differently. So, overall, we might seem color might seem like a simple thing, but it's actually very complex. And what we see as color is created by our brain based on light, context, and then our own biology. And that means color isn't actually a property of objects, but it's something our brain constructs. And because of that, two people can look at the exact same thing and see color completely differently. So next time that you are arguing between a coworker or friend between what color something is, you might have to come to the conclusion that you're both correct. Thank you so much.